Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Priscilla. We are making jollof rice and it's very simple. Stay tuned. So in my pan, I'll add my vegetable oil, add my blended garlic, onion, ginger, mix all together, stir it. And after a while, I'll check it. I'll add my pepper, habanero pepper. I'll go ahead and add my tomato paste. This is very simple recipe and it's straightforward. So I'll stir all together on a low medium heat. After a while, I'll add the spices of your choice. So I'll add my salt, any spice, and my sankofa jollof rice. Mix all together and I'll still leave it on a low medium heat for a while. And then I'll add my stock. After adding my stock, I'll stir all together. Add my rice. This is very straightforward. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes. So after adding the rice, I will stir all together. Add a little bit more water. Please remember this food, we want the rice to single out. So be careful of the water you are adding. And I'll keep checking until we are done with the rice. And now, as you can see, the outcome is so good. The outcome is so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try this recipe and you are going to love it. It's very simple.